In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book cheap Qatar Airways flights step by step. We'll start right from the official source so everything is secure and accurate. Open your browser and head to qatarairways.com. Make sure you're on the genuine site and not a sponsored ad or a lookalike. If the page asks for your region or language, choose the one that matches where you're booking from, since prices and availability can vary by location and currency. On the homepage, look for the booking area. If you don't see the search panel immediately, click the option that says Book a Flight. This opens the main booking form where you'll enter your trip details. Begin by selecting your from and to fields, type the city or airport name, and the site will suggest matching airports. If your city has multiple airports, glance at each option. Sometimes a nearby airport can be a touch cheaper or offer better connections. Double check you've picked the correct destination, especially if there are cities with similar names. Next, choose your departure date and, if you're planning a round trip, your return date. When saving money is the goal, flexibility helps. If your schedule allows, look for the fare calendar or flexible date view to compare prices across a few days. Midweek departures, early morning or late night flights, and travel outside of peak holidays can often lower the fare. A day or two of wiggle room can make a noticeable difference. Now enter your passengers. Update the number of adults, children, and infants so the system shows accurate pricing and seating. Keep in mind that fares can change as you add passengers, and availability in the lowest fare bucket can be limited, so ensure the headcount reflects who's actually traveling. When your details look good, click Search Flights. Give the results a moment to load. You'll see flight options grouped by day and time, with prices that update as you switch dates or adjust filters. If there is a filter or sort option, set it to show the lowest price first to surface the best deals quickly. Finally, scroll through the results and look for the lowest fare, then click it to view the specific flight details. Check the total price, layover times, and what's included in the fare, such as baggage and seat selection, so you know exactly what you're getting. If the lowest fare has a long connection or tighter restrictions, weigh that against the small price difference to a more convenient option. Once you've found the best value for your needs, you're set to continue with the booking on the site. And that's it. Simple, clear, and focused on getting you the cheapest available Qatar Airways fare.